All right, we're going to read Bees and Our Friends. Here is the beginning page. We can see all the bumblebees flying around the flowers. Down in the garden, up high in a tree, is a busy beehive and one little bee. So here's our home. We have our house right here and some chickens in the yard. We have some gardens with flowers and fruits. And then here's our one little bee. Can you say bee? Bumble bee? Because that's who the book's about. She hops and she twirls. She's off on her way. She zips through the garden and out for the day. So here's our bumblebee. She's flying through the air. Look, she visited some flowers too. They're all different. These flowers look different. They're not the same. She zooms to a flower and lands on the top. She sips the sweet nectar and stores every drop. So she's zooming through the air. She's flying very fast and she came over to a flower. And she's harvesting or drinking like the nectar. And then she's gonna bring it home to her beehive. Look at all the other flowers that she can go to as well. She plays in the pollen. It sticks to her hair. She flies off again and soars through the air. So here's our bumblebee. Look at all this pollen. Look at it's all yellow. She's flying through it. And look, it's getting stuck to her. It's getting stuck to her wings. She spreads pollen dust. She visits each flower. She pollinates the garden. So here's our bumblebee. She's spreading pollen to all the flowers, and all these flowers are gonna make fruits and vegetables for us. We have apples, we have carrots, yum, pears and tomatoes, some other vegetables like eggplant and radishes up here. Ooh, asparagus. So she pollinates the garden. That's her special power. So here's our bumblebee. She's putting up her muscles saying, this is my special power. This is what I do every spring. Look at all the flowers that she made happen. She made all these grow nice and healthy. What a busy bumblebee. The pollen she spreads, she helps plants to grow. New life gives the garden a very special glow. So look at the flowers that she helped grow, and who came to visit the flowers? Yeah, some birds. Some birds came to visit her flowers because it's so pretty. And here's our sun. Our sun also gives our flowers energy or food. They help. The sun helps the plants grow too. Bugs make their homes in the flowers and trees. Fruits and veggies grow thanks to the work of the bees. Wow, look at everything the bumblebee helped make grow, and look who came to appreciate it. So we have the worms, we have a spider, we have a caterpillar. This looks like maybe an Asian beetle. We have some ants, a dragonfly, a butterfly. We have another butterfly right here. Nice. the one little bee takes her treasure home. She stores away nectar and she makes honeycomb. So at the end of her day, she takes all that honey and she makes all that pollen and she puts it into her beehive. Here's her beehive. And she makes honeycomb. Honey is something we can eat. And it's very sweet. The sun slowly sets and one little bee sleeps high in her hive up in a tree. So here's her tree. Can you find her beehive? That's right, it's right here. Say, there is her beehive. The end. Oh, and here's some baby bees sleeping in their beehive. The end.